Welcome to qnawire.
The problem is part A. Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. For part A, so we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 square root of x squared plus 1 plus x times square root of x squared plus 1 minus x over square root of x squared plus 1 plus x, which is equal to 1 over square root of x squared plus 1 plus x. So we have the limit x goes to infinity, f of x is equal to 0. And when x goes to negative infinity, from the function we have f of x goes to infinity. So we have y equal to 0 is a horizontal asymptote, and there is no vertical asymptote of this function. Part B. Find the intervals of increase or decrease. First, we compute the derivative. This is equal to x over square root of x squared plus 1 minus 1. Notice that x is less than x squared plus 1, so the derivative is smaller than 0 for all x. So we have f is decreasing on negative infinity to infinity. Part C. Find the local maximum and minimum values. From part B, we know there is no local maximum and minimum values. Part D. Find the intervals of concavity and the inflection points. So we have second derivative is equal to square root of x squared plus 1 minus x times 1/2 times 2x times x squared plus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 over x squared plus 1, which is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2, which is always greater than 0. So we have the function f of x is concave upward on negative infinity to infinity. So there is no inflection point. Part E. Use the information from parts A to D to sketch the graph of f. So we can sketch the graph as follows. This is the graph of f.